Holy freaking moly. Oh my word. Not good at all. Not good. Oh Lord, it's on the right side too. Holy shit. Oh, we're gonna be flooded in. This is not good. I'm rolling, by the way. I'm going like 11, so I'm being safe. But oh my God. Here's the first part of Bayou Serpent. And you can't see down there. Holy cow. This is not good. This is going to be over the road in a couple of hours. This is not good. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Holy cow. I'm being safe. I'm going under 10, and no one's on the road with me. So nobody get mad at me and fuss at me because you're worried I'm going to get hurt or something. I'm not going to do that. I'm going slow. Hang on. I'll pause it again. This is Bayou Serpent, closest to my house. And, oh, this ain't good. We're going to have to get out. Oh, yeah, we're going to have to get out. Son, I wish you'd quit texting me. Oh, yeah. It'll be over this bridge by tomorrow. One of the elders in the family just told me. Not good. Not good. You can't see over there. I'd have to stop. You tell people, don't text me because I'm videoing. And they text you 1,311 times. Well, it's not here yet. He just told me that when this rain stops, then the water's going to all come on top of us. That's flooded out there. That's never got water in it. Crap. We're going to have to leave. Oh, it's all the way up here. Dang it. Yeah, this will be flooded by tomorrow. Lovely.